Hey beauties, and welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner. And today I want to show you how I use this magic remover to remove my ex pro tip nails. Now I applied the nails myself. They do come with a gel and gel polish, so it is a curing process. So they're not super easy to take off. You do need some help. So I'm just gonna clip the nails, sand it down, and apply the magic remover. Make sure not to get it on your skin. It will burn, but you see how it's just dissolving that clear polish off the nail? Crazy, right? I love this stuff. It just makes it so simple. You don't have to pay extra to get these removed at the nail shop. You can do everything at home, apply the nails and remove it at home. So the longer you leave the remover on your nail, the easier it will be. It makes the nail actually really soft. So sometimes what I really like to do is apply it, let it dry, sand it down a little bit, apply it again, sand it down, and then see if I can remove it. So once it gets super soft like it is, it makes the process so simple. Your nails won't be damaged. My fingernail doesn't feel weird afterwards. It's good. I can get myself a manicure right after this. Don't need to go to the salon. I swear by it. You can find it on Amazon.com. I will leave the link below. And yeah, just go ahead and pick off the last little residue, clip your nails, and you are good to go. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them below, comment, like the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy. Thank you for watching, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions.